In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run tests generated by CodiumAI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take the tests CodiumAI creates, feed them into the AI chat inside Visual Studio Code, and have the AI run them for you without fuss. First, open Visual Studio Code. Give it a second to load your workspace, and make sure you're in the project that contains both your source code and the tests you want to run. If you're working from a folder, open that folder so the Explorer shows your files in one place. This helps the AI see your project structure and makes running the tests smoother. Next, open the file you care about, and that could be the main code file you're testing or the actual test file generated by CodiumAI. Having the right file open helps provide context and ensures you're focused on the correct part of your project. If you have multiple test files, it's fine to start with the one you want to execute first. Now open the Codo or CodiumAI chat box from the primary sidebar in VS Code. You'll see an icon in the left-hand toolbar for the chat. Click it and a panel will appear where you can interact with the AI. Think of this panel as your assistant for orchestrating test runs and understanding results. Add your test as context. This is important. Context tells the AI exactly which tests you mean. You can do this by selecting the test file in the Explorer and adding it to the chat context, or by opening the test file and using the chat panel's option to include the active file. If needed, you can paste the relevant portion of the test directly into the chat, but referencing the file is usually cleaner and keeps everything linked to your workspace. Then type a prompt such as run test. You can be specific, like run the tests in this file, or run tests for the currently open file. If your project uses a specific test framework, you can mention it, but often the AI will detect your setup from the context. Finally, let the AI run the test. It may open a terminal or use your project's configured test runner. Watch the output as it executes. You'll see pass or fail results, error messages, and any stack traces. If something fails, review the messages the AI provides, and if needed, refine the context or clarify which file to run. You can ask it to rerun after you make changes, and it will reuse the chat history for continuity. That's it. Open VS Code, open your file, open the Codo or CodiumAI chat, add your test as context, prompt it to run, and let the AI handle the execution and reporting.